Onslow County has a new online tool at OnslowCountyNC.gov/compare for property owners who want to compare their recent appraisal with others or appeal their value. The Compare program provides real estate sales data and lets homeowners compare it to their recently assessed property value. Type in an address and the program will automatically find comparable sales. You can instantly create a report that compares properties, which will be useful in the appeal process. To begin the online appeal process, go to OnslowCountyNC.gov/tax and click on the Revaluation Online Appeal button. Property owners will need to provide information about why the assessed value is incorrect, such as similar properties by age, location, and type, or sales information. This information can be gathered for free using the Compare tool. For more information about the recent property revaluation or the appeals process, visit OnslowCountyNC.gov/tax